Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I decided to come on today to show you some of the projects that I've been working on. You all know that I have a granddaughter and she lost her tooth. So my daughter the other day calls and says, "Mom, is there any way that you can make like a little wand, like a fairy wand or something like that?" I says, "I'll see what I can do." So I decided to come down here today and do some wands, and this is what I came up with. A nice bouquet of flowers. They're really pretty. They're easy to make, and I've been using these kind of beads. These are the Shambhala beads. I used to make bracelets, as you can see. So I had some left over, which are a little smaller than this size. And I decided to make some wands, and I'll show you one by one. This is the one of them. What I use is I use this flowered bead cap, and then a rhinestone, and then I added another bead cap down here with a crystal bead, and then I added these flower spacers in between, and then I added this bugle bead. This is about 30 millimeters, and then another flowered spacer, another crystal bead, and another smaller spacer. That's the smaller spacer is this one here. It's really tiny. I have various sizes. They're this size, and then I have that one. Those are the sizes that I have in my spacers. And these are the Shambhala bracelet beads. They're pretty. I love the colors on them. I did one with the Calla Lily flower in there, and I did that one. Then I did a red one. What's so nice about these ones is that you can actually use them in your journals too, or on your tags. On some of them I'm putting little ball pins on them. But look how cute they are, with a little spacer bead on top, a Shambhala bead, and then this bead cap. And these beads are these ones here. I have them in two styles. I have in the iridescent one, which is this one here, and then I have it in the is that the same? And then I have it in the frosted kind. They're two, and that's how big they are. These is about 30 millimeters of these ones. And then on this one here, whoops, I added one of those aluminum, I think there, or flower. And this is what this one looks like. I even had the smaller bugle beads in the crystal color. And on this one here, I actually added a safety pin. I've had these for a while, and what's so nice about it is because I put it on the other side, so if you're using them on your journals, this won't come off because it's on the other side. Okay. You can even hang them on your clothes. It'll be nice when on their birthdays. So that's another one. These two, which are pretty too. And this green one here. I used two of the longer bugle beads on this one here. Then these two here, these are pretty too. I did a blue one and a purple one. Then I used the bigger ones. So these are basically all of them. I'll take them all out and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so we've seen these ones. I'll put these to a side. They're all very pretty. And this one I put a pink one in there. Then you got this beautiful burgundy one. Look how nice this burgundy one looks like. I didn't add any glue to these ones because these go in, the bugle beads go in pretty tight in there, so they are not moving. So I didn't put any glue in any of these ones. This green is pretty too. Look at that. And then on this one here, I have one of these rings that have a hole on either side, and I put it in, and then I added a spacer bead, a crystal, and then another spacer bead, and I thought that looks pretty, really pretty. And on these ones here, I actually have these things that are doubled. They are bead caps that you can put a bead on one side and on the other. And that's what this looks like. I even have them in silver. So I have the two colors. And then the last two are these two here, which I thought they were pretty too. So like I say, you can use them in your journals or in your lace books or wherever. I was thinking for the little girls when they're having their theme birthday parties and they're having their fairies, they could even hang them on their dresses. So I haven't seen any of these on YouTube. I don't know if there is any out there, but personally I haven't seen them, so I figured I'll share them with you. Now I'll do one with you, which is they're very easy to make. I either use a head pin or an eye pin, but I prefer using the head pin. And they're quick to make. I mean, like I made these in a matter of minutes, you know, like they're not that difficult to make. And I first gonna start off with a bead cap. Then I'm gonna add a green one. I'm gonna do a green one now. And I'm gonna use this one here. See what I mean? Like, and then you can do another green one at the bottom. And this is where my little spacer beads come in. And I'm going to put the iridescent one. They go kind of tight in here, which is great, because this way you know that see, once they're in there, they're not coming off. It's going pretty tight. The wire is a little crooked, but you can always adjust it once you have it on there, see? And they don't come off. That's why I like using these longer ones. What else? I think I'm going to use this white milk glass bead. Oh no, I don't want that. I want to put this on there. It should maybe a smaller one. Yeah, and then I'm going to put this one. And I'll put a bigger one. Let's try this other one, see how this one looks. I think that's cute, that one. And put a green bicone in there. I'm going to use a small one. Where did it go? Here it is. And another white one. Yeah. See, so far, look how pretty that looks. Like I said, they work really nice and fast. You know what? That's a little too big, so I'll put another green one in there. Yeah. And we'll put a ball pin. And I'm going to put 2 clear beads on here. One of this and another clear one. And there you go. And you have your little wand, your fairy wand, your fairy godmother wand. See how easy they are to make? They're really super cute. Let's try this one. On this one here, I'm going to put the flower in. And they have the little petals inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch them out a bit because they're really easy to stretch out. So my head pin can go in all the way. And then I'm going to close it up. And then I have these little flowers. And I'll add that to it. And you get that. Now I'm going to add a spacer bead. And I'll use this Shambhala bead here. And I'll use one of these spacer beads. And then I'll try the satin one if this one fits. This looks like it's got a smaller hole and it might not go in. No. See what I mean? Because they're nice and tight. Let's try this one. Oops. This is really tight. There. I went all the way in. See? That's why I like these ones, because they won't move. We'll put a tiny spacer bead. And another tiny spacer bead. I'm gonna add a white one. And do I have pink here somewhere? Spacer bead, a nice pink one, a smaller spacer bead, a white one, or a clear one, should I say, and a pink one again. And that one, what this looks like. And this one's done. So we have another one, and then let me see if these ones fit in. Sometimes these do and sometimes they don't because of the curve. And there you go. And here's another one. See how quick they work up? And here's your another little wand. There you go. And this is easy. And I wish you would give it a try. Let me, if you do, please post a video so I can see what you make. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao for now.